Delivery schedules of the FuelVision Trips module. When it is necessary to periodically deliver goods to customers or locations, you might want to have an automated way of fulfilling this need. For this reason, FuelVision allows you to manually create recurring delivery schedules. Delivery schedules can be created for either customers or locations, and in the repeating delivery schedule line, you can select all the details necessary to periodically create trip planning lines automatically. To create a new delivery schedule, we can click on New. We are going to choose the location, and we're going to choose the location code, which is the central tank. We have to select the logistical entity, which is the propane bulk tank of 6,500 liters. If there is no tank level measurement, the tank percentage will be 0, so we have to manually fill in the current tank percentage level, which is 25%. We have to choose a calculation method, which is either date formula or based on a weekly schedule. We are going to choose for a date formula of every 10 days. If we are encountering a weekend based on the 10-day calculation date, then we want to deliver before the weekend. So we are choosing before. And lastly, we want to manually select the first next delivery date, which is going to be March 1st, which is on a Friday. Also, this location has some delivery address limitations, which we can also manually fill in. So if we click on delivery address limitations, we can create a delivery location limitation for this truck. We're going to say, this is not recommended. Truck is too big for this location. And the same goes for the BO2 truck. This is also too big. So we can also choose a preferred truck, which is going to be this one. And afterwards, once all the details have been filled out, we can activate the delivery schedule line. If you are creating a new delivery schedule line, also the history is shown of all the trip lines that have been created in the past. And you can maybe use this to determine the next delivery date or the date calculation formula. So it can be very useful to look back in the history to check how often the tank needs to be refilled. This was the basic introduction to the delivery schemes of the FuelVision Trips module.